So this week, we are going to learn more about model binding. And you will see how to bind primitive types using parameters and route data values and the request form. And you'll also learn how to bind complex types using classes and objects. We'll take a little closer look at the form elements and how to bring those into the controller if you have a model and if you don't have a model. We'll look at both ways to bring it in. And we're also going to look at a couple additional attributes that you see in controllers. Okay, so you will notice that there are videos throughout that explain all of the information. Then there's hands-on with videos as well. And we are using a previous app for this in the bag. So if you finish this before I've corrected an assignment that uses the app, all we're doing is adding to it, so it's all good. You can go ahead and push it up to GitHub, no worries. So as you go through here, you will be learning the techniques and concepts that we present. We do talk about filtering as well. There's actually a filter class that we'll be using, and we walk through the example from the book. So make sure you download the to-do list so you can take a little closer look when we start talking about how filters are being used. The filter class and how it's being used, once you break it down, it's not all that complicated. So what I've done down here is I've added comments kind of indicating what's going on. And that will help you understand this a little bit better. And you have all of the different hands-on with files that I'm giving you. And then finally, you're going to be downloading another to-do list app, and you're going to be completing an exercise from the book. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and upload those changes to In the Bag and to your Chapter 10 to-do list app. And you should note that I am giving you a little hint here on instruction 6. Actually, it's a huge hint. I'm telling you the first 4 lines of code that you should use. Huge hint. So take a look at this when you are working on that. So that's all that we have. The material may take you a while to work through, so take your time. If you do run into problems or have questions, let me know, and have a great week.